How to do waxing in safe, painless ways. Exfoliate. Exfoliating gently helps soften body hair and opens up hair follicles, making waxing an easier and less painful process. Exfoliation also prevents ingrown hair growth. While the maximum possibility of ingrowths is on the legs, exfoliating the rest of your body, not just before a waxing session but 2-3 times a week, will leave you feeling wonderful. Ensure proper hair length. For wax to properly cling to hair, it must be neither short nor too long. Make sure your hair is no less than 1/4 inch and no more than 3/4 inch long. No sweat. Wash and dry the area to be waxed. Don't apply creams, moisturizers or deodorants on the day of the waxing. Any oil or moisture will not let the wax cling to your hair. No coffee on the morning of the wax. Skipping your morning pick-me-up coffee will help to reduce the pain of waxing too.